Hello everyone. Today we are going to do question 1 of exercise 8.3 class 6. The question goes like this: which is greater? And in that, the first one, that is A, the question is zero point 0.3, 0.3 or 0.4. Here they have given two decimal numbers, that is 0.3 and 0.4, and they have asked us to find out which one is greater. So to find out which is greater, first let us convert these decimals into fractions. Now 0.3. To convert 0.3 into fractions, we will take the point on the right hand side. When you take a point on the right hand side, it becomes divided by 10. So it becomes 3 divided by 10. See, before number 3 there is 1 point, and you're taking the point, you're shifting the point to right hand side, that is 1 times. So you have to divide the number by 10. Here 0.3 means it is 0.3 divided by 1. Okay. Now when you shift this on right hand side, you have to add a 0. That means it becomes 3 by 10. Okay. Now similarly, let us take 0.4. Now when we take 0.4, it means it is 0.4 divided by 1. So we will shift point on one right hand side. So we will add 1 0 below here. So it becomes 4 by 10. Now 0.3 and 0.4. So they are 3 by 10 or 4 by 10. Now which is greater? In the fractions, when the denominators are same and the numerators are different, the bigger numerator is the bigger number. See here, there are two fractions, 3 by 10 and 4 by 10. The denominators are same, that is 10, and the numerators are different. So which number becomes bigger? The bigger numerator number is bigger. The denominators are same and the bigger number is 4. So 4 by 10 is bigger than 3 by 10. 4 by 10 is greater than 3 by 10. So 4 by 10 is greater than 3 by 10, which means 0.4 is greater than 0.3. This is the answer. Now let us see the B1. The numbers are, the given decimals are 0.07 or 0.02. Which one is greater? Now let us take 0.07. That means it is 0.07 divided by 1. Now we will shift the decimal point to the right hand side. Now we have to shift it twice to the right hand side, 1 and 2. So it becomes 7. When you shift once, it becomes 0.7. When you shift it 2 times, it becomes 7. So when you're shifting the decimal point 2 times to the right hand side, so we are adding 2 zeros in the denominator. That means it becomes 7 upon 100. Now similarly 0.02. That means 0.02 divided by 1. There is not 0.02 means 0.02 divided by 1. They both are the same. We can write it as 0.02 divided by 1. Now we will shift the decimal point to the right hand side, 1 and 2 times. So it becomes 2. So we have to add 2 zeros here. So it becomes 100. So the number becomes 2 upon 100. Now we have two fractions for comparison, 7 upon 100 and 2 upon 100. As I told you earlier, when the denominators are the same, if the numerators are different, the bigger numerator number is the greater one. So here 7 upon 100 is greater than 2 upon 100. So the answer is 0.07 is greater than 0.02. This is the answer. Now let us see the next one, that is C. The decimal numbers given are 0.5 or 0.05. Which one is greater? Now let us convert them into fractions. Now 0.5 we can also write as 0.5 divided by 1. That is, we will shift point to 1 right hand side. So it becomes 5 upon 1 becomes 10. Now let us take the second decimal point, 0.05. That is 0.05 divided by 1. We can also write it as like this. So now we have to shift the decimal point 2 times. So it becomes 5 upon, when you're shifting it 2 times, you add 2 zeros to the 1 denominator 1. So it becomes 5 upon 100. Now the first one is 5 upon 10 and the second decimal is 5. It becomes 5 upon 100. So to compare, we will make both the denominators same. Now 5 upon 10 can also be written as 50 upon 100. 5 upon 10 is also written as 50 upon 100. So the two decimal points have got converted into same denominator. That is, the denominator is 100. So the first decimal point is become 50 upon 100 and the second decimal point has become 5 upon 100. Now when you compare these both, the denominators are same. Which number is big? Which fraction is big? The first fraction is big because the numerator of the first fraction is bigger than the numerator of the second fraction. When the denominators are equal, we compare the numerators. So 50 is bigger than 5. So this is bigger. So which is greater? 0.5 is greater than 0.05. This is the answer. Now let us see the next one, that is D. 1.23 or 1.2. Now let us convert it into fraction. 1.23. That means we will take it 2 digits to the right hand side, the point, decimal point. So it becomes 123 divided by, we have taken 2 digits, it becomes divided by 100. Now the second one, that is 1.2, that is 12 divided by 10. Now we want to make the denominator as 100. So it becomes 120 upon 100. These both are equal. See, the denominator is 10. We are making it 100. So we add a 0 here. When we add a 0 in the denominator, we will add a 0 in the numerator also. So 12 by 10 is equal to 120 by 100. Now we got both the denominators same. Which numerator is bigger? 123 is bigger than 120. So 123 divided by 100 is greater. We will write it here. 123 divided by 100 is greater than 120 divided by 100. So the answer is 1.23 is greater than 1.2. This is the answer. Now let us see the next one, that is E. 0.099 or 0.19. Now let us convert them into fraction. 0.099. So we have to shift the decimal point to 3 points right. 1, 2, 3. So it becomes 99 upon, since we have shifted it 3 times to the right hand side, we will divide it by 1000, 3 zeros. Now the second one, 0.19. So we will shift it to 2 times right hand side. So it becomes 19 upon 100. 2 zeros because we have shifted the decimal point to 2 right hand side. Now for comparison, we want 1000 instead of 100. So we will make it as 1000, the denominator. When you make the denominator 1000, we will add a 0 on the for the numerator also. Now 19 becomes 190. So now is it easy to compare? 99 upon 1000 and 190 upon 1000. Both the denominators are same. Which numerator is bigger? 190 is bigger. That is this. So we will write 190 upon 1000 is greater than 99 upon 1000. So what is the answer? 0.19 is greater than 0.099. That is the answer. Now let us see the next question, 1.5 or 1.50. Which one is greater? Now we will convert 1.5 into fraction. We will take point on the right hand side. So it becomes 15 upon 10. Now the second decimal 1.50. See, now we will take this on just one decimal point to the right. So it becomes 15.0. 1.50. When you take 1 point to the right hand side, it becomes 15.0 upon 10, because we have shifted only one decimal point to the right. Now 15.0 is nothing but 15 upon 10. Now the first number is 15 upon 10. The second number is also 15 upon 10. That means 1.5 and 1.50 are equal. We will write it as 1.5 is equal to 1.50. They both are equal, and this is the answer. Now let us see the G1, that is 1.431 or 1.490. We will convert them into fractions. Now 1.431, we will shift the decimal point 3 times to the right hand side. It becomes 1431 divided by 1000, because we have shifted the decimal point to the right hand side 3 times. So we are adding 3 zeros in the denominator. Now similarly 1.490 becomes, we will shift it to the right hand side 3 times the decimal point. So it becomes 1490 divided by 1000. So the denominators are equal. Which numerator is greater? 1490 is greater. So 1490 divided by 1000 is greater than 1431 divided by 1000. So 1490 divided by 1000 is the second decimal number. So 1.490 is greater than 1.431. This is the answer. Now let us see the next one. The decimal numbers given are 3.3 or 3.300. Now let us convert them into fractions. 3.3 is nothing but 33 upon 10. Now 3.300, we have taken the denominator as 10. Here also we will make the denominator as 10. So it becomes 33.00 divided by 10. See here, 33.00, that means it is nothing but 33 divided by 10. See, 33 by 10 and 33 by 10, aren't they both equal? Yes, they both are equal. So 3.3 is equal to 3.300. Now let us see the next one, that is 5.64 or 5.603. Now 5.64, we will convert it into fraction. So we will take decimal points 2 times to the right hand side. So it becomes 564 divided by 100, 2 zeros, because we have shifted the decimal point 2 times to the right hand side. Now in the next one, 5.603, we will shift the decimal points 3 times to the right hand side. So it becomes 5603 divided by 1000, because we have shifted 3 times to the right hand side. We put 3 zeros in the denominator. Now we will make this also as 1000 in the denominator. So to make 1000 in the denominator, we will add 1 0 in the numerator. 5640, it becomes 5640 divided by 1000. Now the comparison is easy. When both the denominators are same, whichever number has the bigger numerator is the greater number. 5640 is greater than 5603. So 5.64, the first number, is greater than the second number, 5.603. This is the answer. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.